Assalamualaikum, a student of class 6. Hope you all are safe and healthy at home. This is Ms. Nameerah Zaidi, your computer studies teacher from Falcon House Grammar School Campus 9. And today we will continue the chapter 8 spreadsheet. I was discuss few topics about spreadsheets, which includes Microsoft Excel, electronic spreadsheet, a Microsoft Excel worksheet, cell, columns, rows, active cell. Okay, and also discuss with you about the elements of Excel window. Now I will revise the same topic that I was discussed with you in my last Zoom session, and also explain you some more features of MS Excel. Now let's discuss and open the MS Excel on computer. I'm going to revise about basics of Microsoft Excel. So we should start now. Okay, I'm going to tell you about how to start the Microsoft Excel. First, then we can find the Microsoft Office. These are the application software of Microsoft Office. We choose the Microsoft Excel. Okay, now our Microsoft Excel is starting now. This is the spreadsheet. Some of the students have greater versions, so it's look like this. These are all of these are templates, but I'm using the blank workbook. Okay, now it's getting open. So this is the spreadsheet. Spreadsheet consists of rows and columns. These are tabs. This is the home tab, insert tabs, page layout tab, formula tab, data tab, review and view tabs. All of these tabs are consist of a ribbon. This is the ribbon of home tab. Okay, this is the ribbon of the page layout tab, and each ribbon is divided into groups. This is the theme group of page layout tab. This is the page setup group of page layout tab. So that is all of them. Okay, now I'm going to tell you about spreadsheet. It consists of rows and columns. This is columns. Column C. These are rows. It is column A, column B, column C, and so on. It's going move to till column Z, and after the Z column it's start with A column. Okay, then we can move on with the tell you about rows. These are rows. This is the row 1, row 2, row 3, and so on. Okay, the intersection of rows and the column is called cell. Column are always identified with the letter, and rows are identified with the number. The intersection of row number and the column letter is cell. Okay, cell address is the first column letter and then row number. Okay, and the cell address of this cell is M9. The cell address of this cell is L16. This one is F3. Okay, that is the cell address. Now I am going to tell you about range. Range is a group of cells. This is the range of column. This is the range of different groups of cells. Now I am going to tell you that how do I identify a range. We can identify the range from the first cell address of the first cell, and the last cell. The cell address of the first cell is L7, and the cell address of the last cell is N12. Cell address of the last cell is N12. We can identify the range. The cell address of the first cell, that is L7 colon N12. We always separated the range with the column. So range can be written as L7 to N12. the cell address of the first cell and the last cell. Okay, in this video we can revise about this columns, rows, cell address, and we have also tell you about the range, and this is very necessary for the revision for you. Also tell you about different bars, ribbon, tabs, and formula bar, name box, and sheet tabs. By default we have 3 sheet tabs at a time. Okay, zoom bar, that is also very important to zoom our spreadsheet to look more clear now.
Now I'm going to tell you about entering, editing, selecting, copying and deleting data in a cell. To enter the data in a cell, select the cell in which the data has to be entered. Then start typing in the cell and then press the enter key. Editing data. The content of the cell are displayed in the formula bar. So to make changes in the text, I use formula bar. Copying cell content. Select the range of the cell, then select the copy option from the clipboard. Position the pointer on the cell where data is to be copied. Select the paste option from the clipboard. The data is being pasted on our Excel screen. Okay, then moving the cell content, select this range of the cell, then select the cut option from the clipboard. Again select the choose the paste option from the clipboard. Deleting cell content. Select the cell or range of the cell from which data is to be deleted. Select clear option from edit menu. Select content option from the sub menu. Then the content of the cell get deleted. The autofill feature of Excel allow you to enter a predefined series of text or numbers quickly. To create numeric data series, place the pointer in the first cell, enter the values in the first cell, enter the next value in the next cell, select both the cell. Place the pointer at the corner on the border of selected range. Drag it to cover the area where you want the cell to be filled with the series. The cells covered are filled with a series. I'm sure you have understand the today's topic. I'm give you an assignment that you have to do in your exercise book. Now open your exercise book. Question number 1 and 2 we already have done in the last Zoom session. A is editing data in a cell and B is autofill cell content. I was explain both of them to you in this video, so you have to write proper heading and make these flowcharts. Question number 4 is define the following: A, formula bar, B, autofill feature. You have to write their definitions from the book or as I was explaining in this video. So you have to write proper heading and write the question, then ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. I will help you out over there. Take care of yourself. We'll meet you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.